Chief is a family-owned, Nebraska-based company comprised of 7 diverse brands. Chief, trusted, tested, true.
Good morning, everyone. It is time for another day in the shop. Like I said, it's winter time and we don't really have a lot of stuff to do outside. We got all of our snow moved that we need to, so we are confined to, luckily, a heated shop. The project that we're going to be working on today is behind me. If you missed out a couple videos ago, Grant and I went around and picked up our auction finds. We are starting a collection of new to us farm equipment on a much smaller scale and are going to be doing some farming with it. This was the first piece that we picked up and is kind of a smaller box scraper. Definitely rough around the edges, needs some work, but I think it's going to make the perfect shop project for this winter. Found this for $700. Tires have seen better days. And this entire box back here is rusted out. So the first step to restoring this piece of equipment and making it able to be used, functional again, we're going to be cutting the back piece of it off. And then we'll be checking out the cylinders and the hoses. And then probably putting a new blade under here. In order to get a better angle on things, we're going to be putting it up on these big metal jack stands. It is super windy and cold outside. Going to bring the chain over for an extra layer of safety. This thing is heavier than it looks. Yeah, seriously. Ready? Do you think it'll come loose right away?
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty impressed. Look at that.
Yeah.
I am no cylinder expert, but I feel like that is not super great.
Also, I don't think our chain's really doing much.
Me either. We have had this welding and plasma cutting setup from HTP for a couple years now, and we don't use it all the time, but it's super handy. After school, Gage goes to the local community college and has been taking a series of welding classes, and so he is our resident expert in this field. And he is going to be using the plasma cutter, and his goal is to cut right along here. In the last video, I went through and showed this new lev rack that we got set up. But if you see beside it, here we have all of our storage for brooms, mops, buckets, washing equipment. And Grant's plan is to construct a small closet out of that space. Tin where that orange sign is, tin above, and then there's a door to match the bathroom door, and that will just make us a little broom closet. Grant's gonna be working on that while Gage and I work on the box scraper.
Clean shop 2024.
Hopefully this is inspiring anyone with a shop or just a garage to clean out, declutter, and organize this year.
Amazing. Good job.
I did it! Cool!
There we go.
Check that out. Box is off. Doing a little bit of rearranging so the welder can get to both sides. We need a 3-phase extension cord. I did some practice welds. Now it's time to move on to the real thing. Tack it in the middle or the sides first?
So,
What do you
probably
think?
the middle first.
Let's make some about 4 feet. Oh, perfect.
Is everyone ready?
Yeah, ready.
packed and ready. We need to get this hydraulic cylinder taken off. I'm actually going to ship it somewhere to get repaired.
Gage got all filthy again. He's just a hydraulic oil magnet.
Somehow Gage and I are standing in the exact same spot and got on him and not me. I don't know. We took the hoses off, and when you lift this up, it sucks from one and pushes it out the other.
Make a big splash.
You ready? Watch out, Gage.
Hydraulics are so cool.
It is really cool. All right, let's get this thing taken all the way off. This is the last piece we need to take out. Since we are sending the cylinder off to be fixed, the next task is going to be heating these sides since they're really bent out of place. So we're going to be heating them up, and then we are also going to be adding some extra reinforcement so it doesn't happen again. It up was not working, so we're switching to plan B, which is to just cut it and weld a new piece entirely on.
We just need to cut those welds now and it shouldn't fall off. Is there a hammer?
Gage is doing some uphill welds for me, and then I'm gonna round out these top ones.
The camera with the lens?
No, it's okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm looking at.
That's okay, because there was a bit of a gap.
There's
So
a
that,
pretty
it
big
happens.
gap there.
It happens, but not bad.
That middle part's okay. That middle part I feel like is okay. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
It just kept going.
Welding for only a couple times.
But,
that's not too bad.
But maybe not terrible. So we are officially on day 4 of working on this. We got the cylinder sent off to be fixed, and we still have a lot more welding to do on this. We did get new tires for it, so of course those need to be reinstalled as well. Gage got these corner pieces cut out, but they need to be attached. And then we also still need to finish out these supports here. We need to replace the blade back there. We need to, once the cylinder is fixed, put it back on, hook the hoses back up. We want to get this thing sandblasted and painted. There's definitely still a long way to go, and this is just the first piece of old equipment we're restoring, but so far I feel like it's going really well. This has been a really fun thing for me to experiment with, learning how to use the plasma cutter, using how to use the torch, weld for the first time. So I'm really enjoying this project. Grant has been hard at work in this corner of the shop, got tin installed, and more importantly, built a closet. I feel like he did such a good job. It looks like it's been here this whole time. This is our designated cleaning storage closet. Now all of our brooms, the power vacuum, mops, buckets, washing supplies all have a dedicated area. And when we don't want to see them, shut this door. Great job, Grant. Our shop projects are going well, and we are staying warm as another blizzard rolled in this morning. I think we got another 6 inches of snow. It's blowing outside right now. Wind chill is negative 20 something. So we're staying warm and cozy and busy with our projects here, and just wanted to give you a little update. So thanks for staying tuned, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.